everyone, welcome you all in today's session. In today's session, we are going to study our next life process, that is excretion. So today we will study about excretion in plants. So let's start with excretion. What is excretion? Excretion is the process of elimination or release or removal of the waste substances from the body. जो हमारी बॉडी में जो इतनी भी मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटी से जो वेस्ट प्रोड्यूस्ड हुआ है, दिस वेस्ट विल बी रिलीज आउट ऑफ द बॉडी एंड दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ एलिमिनेशन और रिलीज ऑफ द वेस्ट सब्सटेंसेस फ्रॉम द बॉडी इज कॉल्ड एक्सक्रीशन. So what we have to study excretion in plants? So first we need to understand that what are the substances which are released from the plant body as the waste products. So see, in plants, as you know that plants perform photosynthesis at the daytime, and during photosynthesis they produce and release oxygen. So oxygen is released as the waste product at the daytime when they perform photosynthesis, and when they perform respiration, then carbon dioxide is released as the waste product. And plants जो हैं they also release some liquid in the form of gums and resins from the body, and they also store their waste in the form of organic molecules. So these are the waste substances that needs to be released out of the body. So in plants, as you know that in plants no particular excretory system is found. So how they perform the process of excretion? So the plants excrete their waste material by roots, stem and leaves. How they perform the excretion? They perform the excretion by leaves, stem and roots. तो देखिए फर्स्ट है leaves. As you know how the waste material is released from the leaves. As you know that on the surface of leaves small pores, tiny pores are present. These pores are called stomata. So what happens? The oxygen and carbon dioxide means gases जो हैं these gases are released out of the plant body through the stomata, and also through the leaves जो plants lose the excess water. As you know the excess water is also the waste material for the plant. So this excess water is also released out of the body through stomata in the form of transpiration. You have heard the term transpiration. Transpiration is the process of release or the process of release of the water molecules from the surface of leaves. So in this way the leaves help in the removal of the waste substances from the plant body. Next is stem. As you know that some resins and gums are produced and released from the stem in the form of some liquids, concentrated liquids. So these gums and resins are released from the old stem. And if you talk about the green stem, then you know that small tiny pores are present on the surface of the stem, and these tiny pores are called lenticels. These are called lenticels. So through these lenticels in the green stem, the exchange of gases or the gases are also released from the plant body. And also I said you that some जो है gum and resins are also released from the plant body through this stem. Roots. The roots are in the direct contact with the soil. The roots also releases the waste in the soil particle or in the soil through the root hairs. And you know that जो plants they store their waste material in the form of organic molecules in the leaves. So what happens when the leaves are filled with waste material? These leaves are shedded off from the plant body and thus they get rid of from their excretory waste. It means the falling of the leaves या shedding of यानी shedding of the leaves also remove the waste material from the plant body, and also the plants store their waste material in the fruits in the form of organic molecules. It means the जो fruit है, these are the waste for the plants, and when these fruits are fallen down from the plant body and they get rid from their waste material. In this way, these are the methods by which the plants excrete their waste material from the body. So this is all about excretion in plants. In the next lecture, we will continue with excretion in animals. Thank you.